Also this afternoon, new developments on that cruise ship affected by the hantavirus outbreak. We've learned it's expected to arrive in the Canary Islands this weekend. The World Health Organization now confirming 5 of 8 suspected cases are positive, with patients being treated in the Netherlands, Switzerland, and South Africa. 7 passengers who left the ship earlier have come back to the U.S., to Virginia, Georgia, Texas, Arizona, California, those states so far, and so far none of them are showing any symptoms. NBC's Danielle Hamanjan is in the Canary Islands today awaiting that ship. She has more.
Well, here in Tenerife, this is an island that is heavily reliant on tourism. And as locals have told us, all it takes is one case of the virus and it could be a disaster for residents. Despite protests across the Canary Islands and despite opposition by local politicians, this is happening. The ship is on its way and is expected to arrive here at noon on Sunday. Now, as we speak now, there are no symptomatic passengers on board that ship. No doubt a huge relief for everybody on board, but as well for health officials around the world. Among the 17 Americans on that ship is a doctor who was actually there as a guest. He spoke to NBC and he told us how he had to step in to help when the virus broke out. But he also told us there are 2 experts from the World Health Organization, 2 infectious disease experts from the Netherlands. So they do feel like they are now in good hands. Now, of course, we know that nearly 30 people disembarked on April 24th, which means that they are scattered all over the world. We know that there are Americans and now across 5 U.S. states who are being monitored but are not showing any symptoms. This morning, the UK confirming it is monitoring 1 suspected case, and Singapore monitoring 2 possible cases as well. Now, on Sunday, when this ship arrives here, Spanish officials have made it clear they do not want any contact with the public. They'll be taken straight from that boat that won't be docked here but anchored nearby, straight to the airport, to a cordoned-off area where they will board repatriation flights back home, and in some cases they will have to quarantine for up to 45 days. Danielle Hamanjan, NBC News, Tenerife in the Canary Islands.